So guys, first checkpoint. Nandito kami sa motorcycle graveyard. So yung mga hindi nakaka-survive, dito na. Dito mo na iiwan. Ano mo sasabi mo?
Sabi ko, yung mga ka-rides natin dyan, pumunta kayo. Napakasarap mag-ride dito.
Wala, hindi malalim. Sagat mo. Maputi. Sagat.
Riding high when I was king. I played it hard and fast, I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy coming.
Nagdadatingan na yung mga na-scam.
But the plan and see just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. I'm begging you. Put your love hand out, baby.
Mga bagay talaga tayo hindi pwede iwasan. Malalim eh.
I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow of my life hanging over me. Broken man that I don't know, won't even stand to be my soul. Why we doing? Why we chasing? Why the bottom? Why the basement? Why we got this? She doesn't embrace it. Why the feel for the need to replace me? Just the wrong way, trying to good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at, like a heart in a bad way. Shit, you can give it away, you have and you take the bait, but I keep walking on, keep moving up, keep moving on. And the dog is young, keep also home. 'Cause I'm the one that live in a broken home, girl. I'm begging.
Malalim.
I'm begging you.
Malalim, gago.
To put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you. To put your love in the hand now, darling.
May lawak ang putang ina.
On my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't pull back. I'm just a call, but the pain is like I'm begging you.
So ito na yung mga nabudol dito sa Auto Mines.
I'm begging.
So matinding pababa. Punta ron. Ayun. Sobrang lusong, tas ang lalaki ng bato. Kamusta tayo dyan mga pre?